I'm really excited the transition from landscaping to junk removal.
With the business package, one of the things that you offered is, of course, the construction of the website. When we decided that we're going to sign up for the business package, I got a phone call from JRA, and it was Chris Ball. He started the job right away, and I was very impressed.
Your customer service, it's really awesome.
He really let me feel that, they are really into it, and then we got you, and, it was very impressive, very efficient. I think we feel very blessed that we found you guys. It's been amazing from the first day, and we're looking forward to being with you long term.